Hi, welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to a watch convention that Joshua wants to check out, and I guess you'll just follow us along for the weekend. What? The line for this thing went around the block, but it looks like they're moving now. Just open and then I'll There are so many dudes here.
Wanna try some?
What is that?
It's whiskey. At 12.
Very floral.
Yeah, they have the other one, which is a little more smoky.
This one's a floral one?
Yeah.
Super floral. There are so many like dudes here. It's a dude fest.
It's cool. It's definitely a lot lighter. It has a helium release valve.
This is a collaboration with the California type designer.
That's sweet. Not really.
Crazy, huh?
Boy.
Yeah, that place is the best Galbi that I've ever had. Like, I don't know how you can get better than that. The guy was telling us it takes them 3 days to marinate it and cut it and all this stuff. It's crazy, but it's like 55 bucks per order of meat, which is crazy, but I think it's worth it.
Hi.
Because, yeah, I've never had, like, Galbi like that. Like,
it's
with
so
that
good.
kind of texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're now going to...
Muji. Do we need to go to Muji?
Oh, there's a food truck. Good, thank you. We just came back from doing some groceries. It's Sunday, which means it's time to prep for the week. Got a bunch of stuff from Whole Foods. And the thing that I like to do now is prep at the beginning of the week like chop up all the veggies and everything so that it's just easy during the week. And I find that when it's all chopped up, I actually cook it. This thing is $8. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This dried porcini, it's only $5, which is crazy. Normally this amount would be $11 or more, but I don't know, it's cheap at the moment. I guess it's mushroom season. I got some oats because your girl needs to lower her cholesterol. Bless me. That's why you should wear an apron. I saw this oil at Whole Foods and it was, for half the size, it was $21. We bought this, which is like double the size, for the exact same price at Costco. Isn't that crazy? And we like to put our oil in a little squeeze bottle just so it's a bit easier to control.